What is database writer, one of the Oracle background processes? You can learn the answer to this question in detail by watching this video. So let's start. Oracle database needs some processes to perform background operations. These processes are the brain of the Oracle database. Background processes are to the Oracle database what the CPU is to the computer. Background processes start running as soon as the database starts. Now let's learn what the database writer background process does. Pages belonging to objects in the database can be modified. Modified pages are called dirty pages. The modified process can be update, insert, or delete. Modified pages are kept in the database buffer cache before being written to disk. In certain cases, pages in the cache are written to disk. I will explain these situations in a moment. The database needs a process to write modified pages to disk. This process is called database writer. In some cases, some pages in the database buffer cache are not used for a long time. These pages are called cold pages. The database uses an algorithm to detect pages that have not been used for a long time. The name of this algorithm is least recently used. When cache is used extensively, cold pages should be written from cache to disk as needed. This process is again performed by the database writer background process. In summary, database writer is used for two purposes. The first is to write the changed pages in the cache to disk. The second is to write to disk the pages that are in the cache but have not been used for a long time. So when does the database writer process run? First, when buffer cache is used heavily, database clean cannot find a reusable buffer. In this case, the database wants to write the recently unused or dirty pages to disk. It runs the database writer process to write to the disk. Secondly, when checkpoint time comes, the database wants to write dirty pages to disk. In this case, Oracle database needs the database writer process to write dirty pages to disk. Checkpoint is especially necessary to shorten the database recovery time. Generally, there is one database writer process for each Oracle database. Although one database writer process is adequate for most systems, you can configure additional processes. The number of database writer processes is controlled with this parameter. In this video, I tried to answer the question of what is a database writer, one of the Oracle background processes. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.